Welcome to Buycombi. This video introduces Fit Once, the most advanced patented cartridge available. No drain down is required during servicing. There are two choices of Fit Once kits, the first for the early Glowworm and the second for the later Glowworm. For early model Glowworm, we have our market leading patented extraction tools that enable quick and simple cartridge replacement without removing the whole diverter valve. Fitting the replacement Fit Once cartridge could not be simpler. For the later Glowworm range, we have the compatible Fit Once cartridge replacement kit, which is a simple swap over. Servicing is quick and easy. There is no need to drain down the boiler, and the canister seals can be replaced within minutes. You can sign up to our extended warranty program as and when you purchase your Fit Once cartridge. For more details and to see if your boiler is compatible, go to www.buycombi.com.